Oh.
Right here, my very first gift. Thank you, guys.
Hold on, baby. Okay. Better?
Oh my gosh, this crow just is trying to hide the cashew in my head.
He often brings me a gift. Oh, thank you, Aura Crow. Oh, thank you, my lovely.
What happened? Did we have a thunderstorm? Did you get stuck in the rain?
This right here is why you feed the crows. So my barn door's open, the chickens are out, and there's a crow chilling out there watching over my entire flock for me.